power-packed dose of English for all of you. Certain words are explained better through expressions than through words. For example, the word scorn means contempt or derision. That's the dictionary meaning, and isn't that a bit more complicated than the word itself? So what does scorn mean? I normally scorn at my kids when they do something wrong. Scorn is a look of hatred or contempt. I mean, a very strong dislike. Now, what is a frown? This raising of eyebrows. I normally frown at my kids when they make unreasonable demands. At times, people also frown to listen something with concentration. That's a frown. The next word, sneeze. Go for the dictionary meaning of sneeze and you will be in trouble. That's the simple meaning of sneeze. You normally sneeze when you catch a cold. A cough, similarly, is that's a cough. And this is a symptom of COVID-19. So that was today's dose of English. I hope you like it. If you did like it, please do not forget to hit the like button, share the video as much as possible, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Your subscriptions are important to us. Stay tuned for our further videos. Bye-bye and see you soon.